Welcome everyone in my class today. Here today the topic should be analysis here as per schedule, that is scope and content of hydrology. Remember that scope and content of hydrology is the most important subjects. In the different university in West Bengal, in all over India, this question has been very important for the 5 or 10 marks. And on the views of several questions of scope and content of hydrology, I'll just discuss today about such topics. In fact, what is hydrology? The hydrology is a science that deals with the several criteria of water resource, their behaviors, their sources, and their activities to generate how the water come from the several sources and what is their identifying activities in all over the several system of our earth. In facts of view, hydrology also deals with several subjects developed by morphology and several subjects and the beyonds of geographical expectations. It also deals with the several criteria that belongs to technical sections, geohydrology, in facts of geotechnical identifications, and not only that, hydrology also deals several adjustments of a school of social science like sociology, like philosophy, like educational expectations, a lot of relationship between hydrology and several subjects in the sections of hydrological analysis. Here, the subject of hydrology, how many types of subject has been designed to the hydrological expectations. The first is that in sections of hydrology, sources and occurrence of water. Here we also discuss the several kinds of occurrence of waters and which type of sources has been designed in all over the world. That may be pond, that may be ocean, that may be river, that may be groundwater section. What is the sources of water from rainfall, from several precipitations, and some other phenomenetic adjustment in all over the world and earth also. In facts of view, modes and occurrence of water also discuss several adjustment and with their budget. The second sections of hydrology, it deals with the water budget. How many types and how much, what is the facts of the views that what is the volume of water all over the world, and what is the sector of distributions, how much in the sections of oceans, and what should the ratio in the lake, what is the ratio between ponds and several criteria. This will discuss with the facts of several identities of their sources and their reservations of water in several sections. The next is surface runoff. Surface runoff is the facts and the technique where the water comes to flow on the surface on lands. Here we also discuss several kinds of controlling factors as well as several identification activities and some criterial developments of the controlling factors like lithological adjustment, time, slope of lands, precipitations, evaporation rate, transpirational rate, locations of area, sections of latitudes, and also the groundwater criteria, nature of rocks, maybe sedimentary, maybe igneous, maybe metamorphosed, and such of controlling factors also control the surface runoffs. And facts of views in the sections of parallel way we also discuss, that is infiltrations. The four sections of discussion in hydrology, that is infiltrations. Infiltration is a fact. There also we discuss the several criteria of identifications, that in which way the water come to enter in the land's surface for the internal core area of lands, and how many processes have been there as percolations here, and the several kinds of identification factors of controlling area like nature of rocks, like pattern of rainfall, intensity of rainfall, sections of wind flow, location of land section, maybe desertic region, maybe alluvial region, maybe river centric region, maybe fluvial region, maybe glacial sections, whatever factor we use, that what is a locational area. And a parallel way, what is the latitude of several areas, the most important controlling factors. Methods of insulation, the intensity of insulation is a great factor to maintain the infiltration rates. After that, we also discuss here the basic concept of evaporation and transpiration, the role of tree and role of basic protoplasm and cytoplasmal activities of the trees are given. So how much of the water has been rolling and circulated due to several presence of aspect in the world, also in the earth surface here. In sense of views, this is the hydrological analysis way of the physical portions, and in the division of the analysis of hydrology, we'll divide it into two categories. One is physical criteria, one is economical criteria. In sections of economical criteria, we'll discuss with hydrological expectation with applied geomorphologies. In sections of applied geomorphology, when we discuss about the role of hydrology and impact of hydrology, the first unit is hydrology and water management policy. I mean, in which way we also manage a water for reservations here. We know in the artificial section, artificial rain making is a very good advance for the hydrological treatment. In fact, there are several areas of desertic region, there is a lack of water, so we need to reserve the water for the artificial, maybe water reservoir, rainwater harvesting, and also we are using artificial rain making to provide several kinds of adjustmental availabilities for the water in our several socio-economical occasions and subjective observations. In fact, so beyond the agricultural sector, maybe in the water pump section, maybe the drinking water, maybe the industrial sources of issues, we also use the water. And then how the water can be managed by the several process and procedure that will be analyzed in sections of this here and in the applied geomorphology. Second, the facts of view, river bank, erosion, big dam, dam managements, and several kinds of expectations. Very important chapter in the hydrology, in facts of view. And third is hydrology and the applied geomorphology reference to remote sensing applications is a very, very good topic today in the recent trends. That we also research on the facts of the remote sensing criteria with several geostationary satellite or sun synchronized applications of satellite to justify the proper identities, whatever they needed for the basic observations of the water and how the water can be treated with several kinds of observational theories and the facts of use. In sections of applications in the here, these are the volume and subject of the hydrological expectation that deals with the hydrology. This is the main subject, I mean the basic subject of the hydrology. After that, we also discuss with the content of hydrological expectation. This is the basic content of hydrological expectation that also deals with the several subjects. That hydrology and morphology, I mean what is the basic concept of morphological adjustment in the area, what are land natures. It may be a metamorphosed land, it may be a rock structure of the basaltic area. Then there is a very quite possible there is a filtration maximum possibilities of surface has been designed each and every time due to basaltic area, lack of infiltration rate here. But if the area come to a fluvial section, maybe a sedimentary, say a shale, mudstone, limestone there, then the water come to intensity of infiltration category is very high here. Such of the relation between hydrology and morphology I will say. The hydrology and climatology is the most important issue that climatology gives with several kinds of rainfall, precipitation, and such of adjustment or views of the climatic factors that control hydrological adjustment like evaporation, transpirations, and some flow of the waters in the several latitude in our earth also. The second and the third section is that hydrology with social adjustment, social sections. There's a very important matter, the social adjustment. They are the people who are already the waters, the name is life, therefore the water, the sources, the availability is most important. Facts of view, the hydrology deals with the social adjustment of the water with given the sources of their first civil sections. We know the civil society has been designed the first section of the riverbank area. That's why very ancient relation between water and man in the section of the socialization. That's why there's a basic relation between sociology and social adjustment with our hydrological expectations. In facts of hydrology and relation between cartography is a very important trend today. We know all over the world, all over the country, lots of countries also research about such of matters with the several techniques and their maybe software applications and computer applied section of the applied curriculum section of the hydrological adjustment that is called geoengineering hydrology that give us a lot of potential values for the water resource management, how to water should be managed more and very scientific way. This is the facts of the content of hydrological expectations with the sections of content. These were the sections of scope and content of hydrological analysis in these subjects. And the facts of view in the sections of hydrological adjustment, if you go to the answer of such a questions, you will mention such a points with scope and content. Also give a diagram with surface runoff, infiltration, groundwater movements, and several sections of precipitations and such of views with their map and their latitudes. Then the answer should be more prominent. Thanks for this class.